The chain rule, example 1, part A. Find dy by dx if y equals cosine u and u equals x cubed. This is the chain rule. So firstly you have to find dy by dx, then you have to find du by dx. After that you have to make multiply to get the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx equals negative sine u, and you have to find du by dx. So du by dx equals 3x cubed, 3x squared, sorry. Then you have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx equal dy by dx equal the multiplication of these two derivatives, and we have negative 3x squared sine u. After that you have to replace u by its value, which is x cubed. So we have negative 3x squared sine x cubed, and that's it. For part B we change the variables, only the name of variables. For the first part we have dy by dx, for the second part we have dw by dt. So you have the same idea, just you have to do is to change the name of variables on Formula 1 chain rule. So firstly we have w with x, so first you have to find dw by dx, next you have to find dx by dt. So dw by dx equals secant square x, and dx by dt equals 12t squared plus 1. Then you have to multiply these derivatives to find dw by dt. So dw by dt equals 12t squared plus 1 multiplied by secant square x. Then you have to write x with its value. Substitute x with 4t power 3 plus t, and you will get the final answer of part B. So this is equals to 12t squared plus 1 multiplied by secant square of 4t cubed plus t, and that's it. The chain rule formula 2. Part A. We have given things here: f2 equals 3, f prime of 2 equals to 4, g of 3 equal to 6, g prime of 3 equals to negative 5, and you have to evaluate g prime of 2, where h equals g of f of 2. So first you have to find h prime of x, which is equals the derivative of inside function f prime of x multiplied by the derivative of the outside function g prime of f of x. Then you have to plug in x by the value wanted in the question, which is x equals 2. So we have h prime of 2 equals f prime of 2 multiplied by g prime of f of 2. Then you have to replace f prime of 2 by its value. F prime of 2 equals to 4, and then we have g prime of f of 2. F of 2 equals to 3, and g prime of 3 is given and equals to -5. So we have 4 multiplied by -5, which is equals to -20. For the second question, part B, you have to find the derivative of two composite function, but in general, not at the value of x, in all values of x. So in this question, you have to find f prime of x firstly, which is equals 5x to the power 4, and you have to find g prime of x, which is equals to 2. This is the first thing. Then we know that f of g of x, it is the same as f of g of x. And if we want to find the derivative of the left hand side, it is the same as derivative of this right hand side, which is the formula 2 of the chain rule. So you have to derive the inside function g prime of x multiplied by the derivative of the outside function f prime of g of x. Then g prime of x equals to 2 multiplied by f prime of g. So you have to replace x in f prime by g. So we have 5g to the power 4. Then by simplifying and multiply these two numbers, you will get 10 multiplied by g to the power 4, and the function g is equals to 2x minus 3. So we have 10 multiplied by 2x minus 3 to the power 4, and this is the final answer.